So it looks like when I was trying to do the screen capture, this was the first time using screen capture, but it didn't work as I had anticipated. And now, anyway, so I made this using code with help from Copilot. Well, it's too bad that the progress was not synced between like when I was editing the code and switching to Blender mode. So I gotta figure out how the settings work, but this is what the windmill looks like after many tries. It's my first time using Blender. So if I I was just tinkering with it, and this is my first time. Now, I don't know why this is not working. This is the base, obviously. This is the structure. There's probably going to be another structure here, but this rotates on its this is kind of like where it's going to do the rotation, and there's a mesh around the windmill to prevent bats and bats and birds from flying in. Didn't build the whole mesh. You get a chance to do that. But this is what, after many tries, this is version 1, and this is like 4 or 5 hours worth of effort, including time to just beginning to learn the basics of Blender. All of my previous attempts for Blender have been very kind of shoddy, so I was pleasantly, I was quite happy that using scripting, this is all scripting, I did not do this manually. So using scripting, I was able to get this to work. So I'd modify the code in Visual Studio Code, and then pull it up in Blender and render it. After rendering it, we'll skip the details. After many tries, I got it to work, and then the columns were all kind of all over the place. This has got multiple columns. You don't see this, but there's a column here, obviously. This column is actually more, it's got a bigger radius or higher radius than I'd want it to, because there are other structures in the middle which are not showing properly. There are other blades. But yeah, there's this thing had a different radius before, and it was actually higher up in the elevation, so I have to move it to the base. It was somewhere here actually. But yeah, this is my first attempt. The mouse is not working here, so I have to use these. I think the computers do for a reboot after all that work. But this is what it looks like right now. I tried a whole bunch of iterations. I put a cone on top. I gotta put a cone on top for the water to not get in there. I haven't thought about the dimensions, and since I'm very new to Blender, I do not know. It's not even zooming in or out. I don't know how to take a screenshot here. It's not working. Anyways, I'll stop here. Open to collaboration. Thank you very much.